everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Ree, and today I want to share 5 vegetarian breakfast options so that you can possibly switch up your morning routine and add a little variety to the things you're eating. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Option number 1. So on this morning, I had some grapes, some scrambled eggs with spinach, a piece of veggie sausage, and some gluten-free waffles with syrup and some vegan butter and some peppermint tea. Pretty simple. Option number 2. On this morning, I had some avocado toast with 2 fried eggs with spinach. And on the avocado toast, I actually used Trader Joe's Everything But the Bagels sesame seasoning. Love that stuff. Really quick, really simple, very filling, and super delicious. And this is on sprouted grain bread. Option number 3. This morning I had kombucha, another piece of veggie sausage, gluten-free waffles, plant-based butter. And it looks like on this day I actually had like the apple cinnamon gluten-free waffles. The other day I think I just had the plain. Spinach, scrambled eggs. That's like a go-to of mine. I'm always trying to eat something green with every meal, so you'll see that as a trend in this video. Option number 4. Now, this is one of my favorite meals from the entire video. I love making this. You see me making some veggie bacon here, just frying it up in the pan. And I'm cutting my grapes in half because I hate to eat cold grapes and I keep my grapes in the refrigerator. So cutting them in half kind of, I don't know, I feel like it warms them up faster. I don't know. Don't quote me. I'm using some grapeseed oil here. And I'm about to fry up some like flattened kind of tater tots. This meal is very filling. It seems like a lot of steps, but it's actually really quick. So I'm just turning those tater tots and I'm about to season them with one of my favorite seasonings. And I actually get this from the Dollar Tree, y'all. French fry seasoning. It doesn't take a lot because it's like very potent. So just a sprinkle. And you see me here kind of crunching up my bacon, tearing it into pieces. And then I'm drying off some of the oil from the potatoes. And I'm breaking the potatoes in half because what we're about to make is a breakfast bowl. So I kind of wanted to have them in smaller pieces so it mixed well or mixed better in the bowl. A little bit of oat milk. Adding some pepper to my scrambled eggs here. And when I'm making this bowl, you'll notice that I didn't add any salt because there's salt in the seasoning that I put on the potatoes. I'm adding some spinach to the eggs. And I'm going to add everything back into the pan just to make sure everything's nice and combined. The flavors are nice and combined and everything's nice and warm. And then I like a lot of spinach when I make these bowls because the spinach wilts down so fast. I always add some more at the end. And I put a lid on to help wilt that spinach down just a little bit. And then I transfer everything into a bowl. And when it's time to eat it, I just, add a little ketchup to the top, mix it together, and it's so good. This is so good, so filling, and so tasty. If you don't make anything from this video, definitely try this. And our final option, I had a half a banana this morning. You see me scrambling up some eggs, add a little pepper and a little Himalayan pink sea salt. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Spinach. Y'all see I get my iron in, honey, okay? Always something green at every meal. Get your veggies in. Feel free to, use something different besides spinach. This is just what I happen to have, usually on hand. So that's what I use. Now I'm going in with some more grapeseed oil and some tortillas. And this is some vegan cheddar cheese that I'm adding to the tortillas. And then I add that spinach and eggs mixture into the tortillas. And now I'm adding my favorite taco sauce. So this is a mild sauce. Feel free to use hot sauce or taco sauce, whatever sauce you have. But we're making little breakfast tacos here, and they are so delicious. Like, as I'm editing this video, I'm like, ooh, I'm having those tomorrow. And then I just make sure that cheese is melted. Make sure the tortillas get a little crispy on the outside. And then I serve it with some leftover guacamole that I had from dinner and a few tortilla chips. And this is a beautiful, delicious, filling breakfast. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down. Talk to me in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.